Welcome to Teza Karaoke. Please subscribe down below on my channel and you're able to learn a lot. Today we are going to study about how do you know in a short period if a person is intelligent. How do you know in a short period if a person is intelligent? I know that no one is going to like the answer, but it is nothing less than the truth. To recognize another person's intelligence depends entirely open one's own depth of intelligence, such as intelligent quotient, IQ, or amount of education. Although they are useful, but it is about having an understanding and comprehension of intelligence without personal issue of being prejudiced of society of most Western thinking populations. People are so far self-involved that they have little or no respect for those of higher intelligence other than that of their own. So it really comes down to one perspective of what an intelligent person is. Most intelligent people have an quality of strong confidence and high self-esteem. It is apparent in their eyes, facial expression, and the general ease in which they carry themselves. They speak with a certain comfort and flow. Most of them should be patient, but it is unfortunate that some are not, because some higher intellect are equally guilty of being self-absorbed, not because they have narcissistic trait, but because they are a busy thinker and have more on their plate than the average madden, and tend to get easily annoyed by the platter of those who are respective and redundant. It doesn't make them bad people, it just makes them, as I noted before, on a different level of intelligence. Otherwise, they have extreme amount of learned knowledge imprinted upon their brain cells, and the effort to keep it all in conscious order is a trial indeed. The point is, there is really no true rule of thumb to determine or decide upon another person's magnitude of lack there of intelligence in a short time. There are some rather clever people with just a tad higher than average intelligence who are much better at words and vocabulary than even the greatest geniuses in the world. Otherwise, being a high intellect does not mean that you know everything. You only happen to excel in a certain field. Of course, if they are taught and accredited with a degree, they certainly have had to learn a semblance, just not necessarily proficient at it. There are different types of intelligence. Please subscribe down below. We have talked about how do you know in a short period if a person is intelligent. How do you know in a short period if a person is intelligent? Most intelligence have an era of strong confidence and high self-esteem. Please subscribe down below on my channel and you're able to learn a lot. Bye.